In the given circuit, potential difference between point A and B, VAB, it means VA minus VB is given 5 volt. C1, C2 is 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad. EMF of cell is 10 volt. Then find the charges on C1 and C2. Suppose on the left side of the plate, charge is plus Q, and right side of the plate, charge is minus Q. Now starting from a point, potential is VA. Plus to minus potential is decreases, minus Q upon C1. C1 is 1 here. Minus 2 plus voltage increases, plus 10. Plus 2 minus voltage decreases, minus Q upon C2, where C2 is here 2, is equal to potential at point B is VB. So VA minus VB is equal to Q plus Q by 2 minus 10. VA minus VB is given 5. So 5 is equal to 3Q by 2 minus 10. So 3Q by 2 is 5 plus 10, 15. So Q is equal to 2 into 15 upon 3. So Q is equal to 10 microcoulomb. Thank you.